Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday and another week of work routine na naman guys. So anyway guys, katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So samahan nyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So let's go guys. So yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and katatapos ko lang din na to guys mag-coffee break. So since it's Monday, on travel pa ngayon yung delivery team namin kasi nandun sila sa Borangan. So, I think 2 days silang nandun. So, yun. For today's agenda guys, we will just have to encode all the sales and after that, we will check also guys yung passbook kung lahat ba ng payment is pumasok na dun sa passbook. And then, kung meron pa tayong need i-collect. So, I know some of you guys asking kung bakit paulit-ulit na lang yung vlog ko and walang masyadong ganap or changes. So, anyway guys, this is my weekly work routine guys and gusto ko kayo isama everyday para makita nyo kung ano talaga yung task and responsibilities of being an admin staff sa Patron Corporation. So, hindi siya madali guys. So, yan. Gusto ko lang kayo isama para makita nyo kung ano yung agenda ko everyday. And since I'm doing some vlogging, gusto ko kayo maging kasama guys hanggang sa dulo. So, yan. Anyway, I just wanna say thank you for those na nag-support talaga sa akin kahit pa ulit-ulit na yung vlog ko. Pero anyway guys, tapusin ko lang yung work ko. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, station guys. So, yan guys, so working and as what you have noticed, wala naman masyadong ganap today and wala din akong ibang lakad. So, yan, tapusin ko lang muna yung work ko. So, dyan naman na kayo guys.
Butang na sa ligo, ganyan ako. Ang helmet na isuluton na lang. Habang nagdadrive. Oo, bukas na lang.
So, yan guys, after work, nakipagkulitan lang ako sa pamangkin ko. So, yan.
Karag mo bago na tita?
Ginagawa mo.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye!